Alright guys and girls, a lot of you have heard of the site Temu. It's an online shopping site. I know a lot of people have questions about it, and I noticed they had sublimation items on there. Sublimation substrates, tumblers, a little bit of everything. So what did we do? We went out and bought pretty much everything they have, just a little bit of everything. And then we got a grab bag of sublimation items here. And we're going to give them a thorough test. I'm going to show you the time and temperatures of them, and we're going to try them out and see how they do. And we're going to start right now. Now, another question y'all are all asking, which is why try Temu? What makes Temu so different? And that is, for one thing, you got free shipping on all orders. The delivery is guaranteed. If you have any issues with the order, you can return any items for up to 90 days. They offer a price protection plan that will credit you a difference if the price goes down. Look at the variety of sublimation stuff here. Like just searching sublimation brings up all the stuff. There's the film canisters we're gonna do. They got tumblers, they have ties, they have a little bit of everything. And I mean, look at this. I mean, they have everything here. It's fantastic. And as far as pricing, you can get 25 skinny tumblers for $99.99, and Temu's got them for $20 less with free shipping. So yeah, it's hard to beat that. I mean, look at that. That's ridiculous. Even with the straw brushes and all that stuff, even if you add that, it's still cheaper. So based on that, you should absolutely give Temu at least a shot and see if it's something. Especially with Dytrans and Condi going out of business, you need a place for sublimation goods, and I think Temu can be that place for you. Now, how can you shop at Temu? You can download the app. As always, I'll have a link in the description where you can find that to make it super simple for you. Or you can go to the website. You can put in code DMM6523, and that'll bring up your bundle. And what you'll get is a $100 coupon bundle just for trying Temu today. And this will be running for, I know, at least the next little bit. They're going to continue that deal for you. So yeah, if you want to try it, give it a shot. I liked all the stuff we did, so I'm happy with it. And I forgot to mention the best part: all of this stuff together, like everything, tape, license plates, a butt ton of bookmarks, these metal things that usually go for several dollars a piece, tumblers, a little bit of everything. I paid $150 for all this all together with shipping. So overall, it's a pretty darn good value if you can find what you're looking for there. I'm super excited to do it, and it's going to be freaking awesome when it's all done. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and see what all is in here. It's a nice, pretty thick package. Probably weighs about 10 pounds. So we're going to see what all we got in here. As you can see, everything comes in a much bigger bag. It's actually really cool. So we got that. We had to get some tumblers. And here's some breakable stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that out the way, and let's inspect everything. Now this is straight out of the package. I haven't really went through it or anything. Hopefully nothing got damaged. First, we'll start off with this. Don't know exactly what that is, but we're going to find out. I don't remember what I ordered, so this is all a surprise for me, too. And these are a lot of the smaller items. And these are, they're really cool. I saw them on there. They are sublimation. They're like, you sublimate on these, and then and it pulls out. It's really freaking cool. I don't know exactly how you're supposed to do them, but that is a problem for future Southpaw. Oh, there they are. Okay. So it comes in there like that, and then you, okay, I see. And then you put it in there, and you tape it. And it's a really cool idea. So I can't wait to try that. It's going to be really cool. It's going to be a really cool little keepsake. I'm really excited about these. Sounds awesome. So yeah, and these are just little film things that that you kind of just pull out. And it just makes a nice little keychain. Really cool. And you can put like pictures on there and all kind of stuff. That goes that. Okay. of course, we have to try a tumbler from Temu. And this specifically, see if we can get a, you can see it, but it's actually a glitter tumbler. A 20-ounce glitter tumbler. Because I wanted to see how they compared to all the other tumblers we got. Feels very similar. Feels like the exact same thing. Alright, now on to the bigger bag. We'll go ahead and pull some of this stuff out. And we'll go through it. And overall, it's just a lot of stuff. It's a lot. It is a lot of stuff. All right, I saw the sublimation coating for like tile and all that stuff, and we're gonna try it out. And basically, you just spray it on a t-shirt or whatever, and apparently you can use it on cotton. So we're gonna try that too. This is the matte sublimation HTV. I think it's clear. Yeah, it looks clear. So we're going to try that too. We're going to see how it compares to HTV Ront. Sublimation tape. We're going to try it and see if it's any different than what's usual. I love the blue tape because it actually doesn't leave a residue, so that's super cool. We got these. Let's see if I can open these to show you exactly how these work. I've done something similar before, but they're like angel wing ornaments. And how they work is you basically do something like that. Actually, it's more like that. And it's just a nice little ornament. Super cool. Photo slates. Now these are strikingly similar to all the other ones from everywhere else I've seen. They look the exact same. Like they feel the same. It's a very heavy product. Can't wait to do these. These are always fun. I have a pretty good dialed-in system on doing those, so those should be pretty straightforward and fun. Go ahead and try to keep everything somewhat together. These, okay, sublimation bookmarks. And look, they come with a variety of colors, and they're like a 1/4-inch hardboard. Looks like it's looks to be laser cut. It does have a coating on there to protect it, and otherwise you have a wide variety of bookmark ends that you can put on there, and super cool bookmarks. Very excited. A crap ton of them come in a package, in 2 different sizes even. So very good deal. Super cool gift for school, something like that. Sublimation puzzles. Now when I ordered these, I was wondering if they were like the hardboard style or if they were fabric, because I just don't like the fabric puzzles. They feel cheap. And these are indeed the hardboard puzzles. They are a hardboard type material that you sublimate on, so we'll definitely be trying those. So super duper cool. Got a bigger photo slate. And this one is a different shape altogether. This one is a heart one. Now I don't know how these are gonna work. I guess it probably needs to go like that. But yeah, this is a good Mother's Day present, or really anything else. Super excited about that because that's a very heavy quality piece that I feel like you can charge a premium for these things. I feel like for what you get versus what you can charge a customer for them, I feel like it's a big margin because they feel like a quality product. All right, jerseys. Jersey keychains. I thought they were the cutest thing. And I have a very cool use case for them, so we're going to try some of these too. And they are double-sided. They even have a coating on them, even to be so small. That's really cool to protect it. But yeah, they're very tiny little guy. And keychains. I'm really excited about those. Those are going to be awesome. I already have ideas for those. All right, next up is these. I don't know exactly what that is. but we're gonna find out. And these are the they're the name tags. They're sublimation name tags. And what you do is you peel them off, you print them, and then you can stick them on your shirt, and you have name tags. And they're double-sided tape, and they're really cool. I thought it would be a cool thing to try, so I picked up some. Let's see, we're coming down to the end. A couple more items left. These are miniature flags. And I just know my daughter's going to lose her crap over it. But they are sublimation flags. And you can actually just slide them off, sublimate them, and bam. And they're little sublimation flags. I kind of want to put them on my RC monster truck. I think that would be amazing. So that was my thought behind getting them. These guys. Let's see what these are. Like I said, it's been a week or two, so I don't remember exactly what I even ordered. I just know I ordered a bunch of cool stuff. All right, this is sandwiched in here, so let's be ultra careful. Oh, these are my favorite thing. My favorite thing. Okay, I think I just got one or two of them. But it is a it's a wind chime that you print on it, and it just goes around, and it's so pretty. I'm super excited to try one of these. I've never tried one of these. Everybody else and their mom has done them, but I have not tried those. And then I wanted to try something really fairly simple that you'd see every day, like a Sublimation license plate. So I picked up this little multi-pack of license plates. And they feel like any other license plate, same thickness, same material. They do also have a coating on them, so super cool. But yeah, overall, I'm super impressed with what we have. Let's get to sublimating some of this stuff and see exactly how good it does. Next, we go through the process of designing, printing, and pressing everything. To show all this would take well over an hour, and I'm not going to bore you with that, so here's a quick time lapse of that process. Please check for clear protective coatings. There was a protective coating on the majority of the items, which is a nice touch. The reason I mention this is because it surprised me on the film strips, which I messed up the first one as a result. Which that's my bad, but I didn't expect a coating on that. I did most of the items at 375 degrees for 70 seconds, except the tumbler, which was done at 360 for 140 seconds, and I rotated halfway through for even heat. And the slate piece was done at 375 for 480 seconds, because it's like a ceramic, and it takes a long time to properly heat. Looking back on it, I probably should have done that at around 420 seconds at 375, because it did burn just a little bit. All right, guys, let's go over everything that we did. First off, the puzzles. The puzzles look fantastic. They're nice and glossy. They have a really good print quality, assuming you have a good photo for them. And they have a good feel to them. Like the pieces have a good they have a good thickness and a good just have a good feel to them. I like them. Next up is the license plates. While they're a little thinner than what some have, they'll be just fine. The print quality is superb. This photo wasn't the best. I just pulled it off someone's Facebook that they requested. So it's not exactly a super high-res photo, but it looks super good on this anyway. So the print quality is fantastic on those license plates. Let's see. Next up, though, is the wind spinners. The ones that go like that, double-sided. But yeah, the print quality is fantastic on those too. Granted, once again, another somewhat blurry picture, but overall, I mean, it's still a great print. They look fantastic. The name tags, super cool when they're put together. Works just as you expect, really. Print quality is pretty good. This is something I did from scratch, so yeah, so it's superb. One of the coolest things that I found were the film strips. The film strips, the quality on those are fantastic. They're really cool. Granted, I use packing tape to put mine together instead of the tape that come with it. But it's a super cool, just a super cool gift. Something unique that I didn't know existed until I visited Temu, to be totally honest. The angel ornament, it turned out fantastic. I really like this with a black and white photo. I wish I'd have went a little lighter on the photo, but you know, you live and you learn. Overall, the print quality on it's great. Super happy. The substrates, it's basically like a rock material. It feels like a tile almost, a real thick tile. I didn't do a good job with the time and temp. It went a little bit long and made the print a little bit lighter, but still it's pretty darn good. If I'd have taken another 30 seconds off of that, I think it would have been better. So that's not so much the product as it is a me thing. I did another puzzle. Nice glossy print, and you can see just how, I mean, the pieces fit together great even after heat pressing. They have a nice satisfying click to them, much better than like the fabric pillows. Now this is the only thing that I didn't get good results from were the flags. I did have some melting. What I would like to do next time is just have that off the heat press a little bit. I think it would still look good, but the print quality is fantastic on it. I mean, yeah, my Photoshop could be a little bit better with like some of the edges and stuff. But overall, I mean, the print quality is great. I just got to fix this issue on my next one. That's just a I didn't know kind of thing. All right, and one of the last things is the bookmarks, which they turned out great. This one's for my daughter, Brighton Cardinals one. Kitty cat. And again, these are dual-sided, and they come with a variety of colors, so you can make something that works. And yeah. All right, and last but certainly not least is the glitter tumbler. I don't know if you can see a little bit of glitter on it. But yeah, the tumbler turned out great. I had issues with the paper sticking, but once I wet it and hit it with a microfiber, looks good, feels good. Comes with a good straw, good top. You know, if you've done tumblers, you've done these before, you know what's up with it. And yeah, that's all the items up close. Alright guys, so final thoughts on Temu. Overall, I loved everything that I got. There was not one bad thing. On first attempt, I got almost everything perfect. The only exception being the flag. And if I'd have thought about it, and if I'd have known that fabric would have stuck on the edge, I could have offset that a little bit on my heat press, and it would have pressed perfect also. Everything else was fantastic. I think the thing I'm most impressed with are these the little film canisters, the little film keychains. They're fantastic, and these puzzles are some of the best that I've seen outside of the Unisub product. Like, they're a fantastic product, and they're thin, and they're just perfect. And of course, I've been wanting to try these the wind spinners. And yeah, it turned out super great. And overall, I'm just super thrilled with everything. As always, I'll have a link in the description where you can find all the products, including a $100 coupon for Temu. It's a coupon bundle that they're offering. Links to download the app, links to the web store, where the products are, and everything. But yeah, I highly suggest you try it. See what you think about it. Alright guys, that about does it for me today. If you like this video, feel free to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more sublimation content. And guys, I appreciate it. Peace.